Amazon is once again revolutionizing the world of technology for kids, with the unveiling of two new 10-inch tablets under the Fire HD 10 series. The Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids and Fire HD 10 Kids Pro have been meticulously developed to cater to the unique needs of children, offering a blend of education and entertainment features that are sure to delight both kids and parents alike. These new tablets represent a significant upgrade over their predecessors, boasting a slightly lighter appearance and enhanced performance. The Fire HD 10 Kids is tailored for the younger audience, specifically children aged 3 to 7, while the Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro targets a slightly older demographic, ranging from 6 to 12 years old. Both tablets share common features that make them stand out in the crowded market of kid-friendly devices. They sport a vibrant 10.1-inch 1080p Full HD screen equipped with a 5 megapixels camera, ensuring crisp visuals for immersive learning and entertainment experiences. Under the hood, these tablets pack a commendable 3 gigs of RAM and a minimum of 32 gigs of storage, offering ample space for apps, games, and educational content. Remarkably, both models exhibit an impressive 25% boost in performance compared to the 2021 Fire HD 10 tablet, ensuring snappy responsiveness. One standout feature of the Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids is the inclusion of a Disney-themed option, adding an extra layer of excitement for young users. Additionally, the tablet comes bundled with a padded protective case to shield it from the inevitable bumps and tumbles of youthful exploration. As if that weren't enough, Amazon sweetens the deal with a 12-month subscription to Amazon Kids Plus, an invaluable service that grants access to a curated selection of kid-friendly apps and content. In recognition of the unpredictable adventures that children embark upon, Amazon has taken a proactive stance by offering a 2-year free replacement policy for any unfortunate accidents or damages that may befall the tablet. This added peace of mind ensures that parents can confidently entrust their children with these innovative devices. Battery life is always a critical factor when it comes to kids' tablets, and Amazon hasn't skimped in this department. Both the Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids and Fire HD 10 Kids Pro boast an impressive 13-hour battery life, ensuring that they can keep up with even the most extended play sessions or educational activities. One of the standout offerings from Amazon's full product showcase is the Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids and Fire HD 10 Kids Pro tablets. Priced at a reasonable $190, these tablets are set to redefine how children engage with technology. With a carefully curated selection of educational and entertaining content, they offer a balanced approach to screen time for kids. Both tablets are scheduled to hit the market on October 18th, providing parents with ample time to prepare for the holiday season. This release date aligns perfectly with the desire to equip children with engaging and enriching tools for learning and play. The Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids and Fire HD 10 Kids Pro tablets not only embody the latest in kid-friendly technology, but also serve as a testament to Amazon's commitment to creating innovative and accessible products for all ages. As these tablets find their way into the hands of young learners and digital explorers, they are sure to leave an indelible mark on how children experience the digital world. Tablets are not the most popular product if you compare the phone, but write in the comments whether you would purchase the new generation for your children or not. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and God bless you.